gorgeous, and a very happy Frugal Friday to you. I hope that you've had a wonderful week thus far. It is such a joy to see you. In this video, I'm sharing some of the best makeup that I have discovered from Sephora under $20. Yes, it can be done. I'll show you a full face today using those products and also a wear test at the end so you can see how they truly perform. I already have an eyeshadow primer on my eyelids and moisturizer on the skin. So the first product I'm going to use is the Kaja, I think that's how you say it, Moon Crystal Sparkling Eye Pigment. This is in the shade Cosmic. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I love it. But before I apply that, I'm going to apply it on the lids. I'm going to apply a crease color. So I'm going in with a very general neutral brown. This is from the e.l.f. I Love You a Latte palette, this one right here. You can apply these all over your eyes as a simple one color kind of look, and it looks great like that, but I wanted to show you a different way that you can apply them. So I usually take a little bit on the back of my hand like that, and then I will dip the brush in, apply directly onto the lid. Look at this pigment. Oh, I love it. So easy to apply. These do dry pretty quickly. I want to say you have about 30 seconds to work with them before they are fully set. So just keep that in mind. If you do try these, you kind of have to move quickly with them, but they blend beautifully. And even when they're dry, you can still blend them a little bit too. I don't think the camera is going to do a good job of picking it up, but it has these micro fine sparkles in the formula that catch the light beautifully. To complete the eyes here, I'm going to go in with a dark brown like this one and a fluffy brush, if I can find one. Got one, Crown C511. I'm using that brown on the outer V, and I'm also going to use this to blend in between that blue and my crease color, so it's a cohesive blended look. Isn't that pretty? I mean, you can just leave it like this too, but I feel like when you add something like this, it just pulls the whole look together. Any products on my eyes that were not mentioned will be listed for you below in the description box. The next product I have to share with you is one from the Sephora brand. This is their Micro Smooth Multitasking Baked Face Powder. The shade that I'm using is Porcelain. This is a very finely milled powder. You can apply it all by itself, or you can apply it over the top of foundation, and it does a beautiful job of blurring everything. It's absolutely gorgeous on the skin. Look at this. That's just one half of my face so far with a very light dusting of the powder. And it has buildable coverage too, so if you want more coverage than what I'm showing you here, you can apply more like I'm doing to my forehead, or you can layer the powder to get a better coverage. But isn't that amazing? I mean, it's beautiful and all by itself. I did not apply a concealer, so I'm going to do that real quickly here. I'm using the Neutrogena Peach Color Corrector combined up with the e.l.f. Flawless Brightening Pen. Now that the concealer is done, I'm going to go back with more of that powder, and I'm going to use it to set the under eye area. And if I come in real closely here, you can see the true finish of the powder. It's a very beautiful, flawless finish. That looks like skin. It doesn't look like makeup packed onto the face. And you can apply cream cheek products over the top of it and it will not mess up the powder, which is what I have to show you next. This is from Tower. It's the Sculptino Soft Contour Cream. The shade that I'm showing you is Broad. Taking that on the e.l.f. Putty Primer Applicator brush, I'm going to apply this to the cheeks, like so. And I like to build up cream contour. You can see this one is not super pigmented, which I really like about it. Sometimes I like to be able to build a product, and this has a very subtle color that goes onto the skin beautifully, and you can build it softly. For the cheek color today, I'm using this one from LYS. This is another cream cheek product. This is their Higher Standard Satin Matte Cream Blush in the shade Kindness. Very pigmented. Don't need much with this one. I'm taking a very small amount again on the e.l.f. Putty Applicator brush. I'm going to very lightly blend this in. They had a lot of beautiful colors to choose from. The one that I wanted was out. It was like a really light pink, but this one's a really pretty color too. But you can see I did not take much at all. And look at the color payoff on the skin. And the compact, by the way, is massive. I mean, look at this. It's like the size of my hand. For the lips, I have two products to share with you. The first one is from Tower 28. This is their one liner, multi-liner lip pencil And I forgot the name of the shade of this one. I believe it's called Fill Me In. I'm gonna have to double check on that color and get back to you. At any rate, it will be listed for you in the description box. What makes this pencil different is that it's a 3-in-1. You can use it as eyeliner, you can use it as lip liner, you can also use it as a cheek product. Pretty versatile. Today I'm gonna use it as a lip liner though. I'm combining that up with a lipstick from LYS. This is their Speak Love Moisture Matte Lipstick. And the shade that I'm showing you is Sincere. Isn't the packaging fabulous? I really like the slim design of it. Now this is not as dark as it looks. It looked really dark when I first got it. And I was a little like, what? Ooh, I don't remember buying that color, but it's not. It's a really light color on the lips. Isn't that pretty? And the formula is amazing. It's like a satin and a matte in one. It's so comfortable on the lips. And how did all these products hold up? At the end of the day, this is what my face looked like. Pretty remarkable, and all excellent quality products that I would highly recommend that you check out. And if you're interested in any of them, I will have them listed and linked for you below in the description box. And if you're going to ask me what my favorites were, really hard to tell you which one was my favorite. It's a toss-up between the lipstick, the eyeshadow, and the powder. Those three, if I were going to pick just three, those three would be the ones I'd be like, wow, you really, really, really have to try these, but they were all equally good. So I hope that you found this helpful today. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hang out with me more in the future, you're always welcome to subscribe. I'm wishing you a beautifully blessed weekend ahead. I speak love, peace, and joy into you and into your home, and I look forward to seeing you again next week.